sacrifice. A personal revelation brings about a transformation. You have blotted out my transgressions for you. Have redeemed me. I'm fighting from a place of victory, walking with God, knowing who I am. I'm called to stand in the place where Jesus stood. I have already been given my inheritance, positionally placed in my calling, a change of nature, change of name. So I'm fighting from a place of victory, walking with God, knowing who I am. I'm called to stand in the place where Jesus stood. The signs are pointing out